Reviewing and syncing your Ramp card transactions to QuickBooks keeps your books accurate and your workflow clean. Go to the Accounting tab, and in the Card Transactions section, you'll see Needs Review and Ready to Sync. Use Needs Review as your to-do list and Ready to Sync as your holding zone before sending transactions to QuickBooks. Click into any transaction to see the details. You can also leave comments and see additional fields. If it all looks good, select Mark Ready, and it'll move it to Ready to Sync. To move transactions to Ready to Sync while in the Needs Review section, you can simply go over to the green check mark and select Ready to Sync. When everything looks good, you can select Sync All, and the Sync to QuickBooks Online button will come up. You can take one last review of the transactions before you sync to QuickBooks Online. Once synced, transactions are removed from the Accounting tab, but you can always see your sync history or download a reconciliation report by clicking the three-dot icon in the top right. You'll also still be able to find sync transactions in the Expenses tab. Open Ramp to review and sync your card transactions to QuickBooks.